So, but first you have to check your credit report to make sure there's no negatives.
Right.
So first you have to remove those. You want to repair your credit. Once you remove the negatives, you want to add some positive, right? So the best secured credit cards, you have Discover, you got Capital One,
right?
Because you want to make sure that these cards are going to graduate, so you can use them as regular credit cards.
The same way somebody might credit you something for you to cop, so you could pay back later. It's the same likelihood of that.
Say they only put 300 or 400. Then when the card graduates, like a Capital One, you have Discover, you have Navy Federal, those all graduate in about 6 to 8 months of on-time payment history.
They're like, all right, listen, I've been here. You're not really keeping up with those. You're not keeping up with your payment. You're not keeping up with those processes and using your credit efficiently.
Paying off your debts before your statement date, not before your due date. Making sure that your utilization is low, under 20%. That when you are getting things on your report, if you have anything on your report, you know how to take care of them as soon as possible. Right. So 6 to 8 months, put up your secure. It graduates to unsecured now. Now we into tier 1 credit.